company accounting. As we know, previously there were sole trading concern and partnership firm were there. In sole trading concern, number of member allowed is 1. In partnership firm, minimum 2 partners are required and maximum 50 partners are allowed as per Companies Act 2013. There were less capital in case of sole trading concern, and there were more capital as compared to sole trading concern in partnership firm. So number of owners in case of sole trading concern, only one member is there. Therefore, it is called as sole trading concern. Sole means single, and trading concern means business organization. So, a business organization in which only one person is the owner, manager, and controller is called as sole trading concern. And in case of partnership firm, minimum 2 member is allowed. Minimum 2 member is required to form a partnership business, and maximum 50 members are allowed. Similarly, capital in case of sole trading concern is lower because only one person brings capital into the business. Therefore, the capital amount is lower. But in case of partnership firm, many people comes together to run a business. Therefore, all the partners will bring capital into the business. So there will be higher capital as compared to sole trading concern. But due to industrial revolution, the requirement emerged to run a business organization on a larger scale. So company form of organization came into existence, and there are n number of members allowed in company form of business. It means there are thousands and lakhs of members available in case of company form of business organization, specifically public limited company. Hence, the overall capital will be larger as compared to any other type of business organization, such as sole trading, partnership, Hindu undivided family, and cooperative society, etc. Even the liability of owners in case of sole trading concern is unlimited. In case of partnership business, the partner's liabilities is also unlimited. But in case of company, the liability of the owners is limited. This is the important feature in company form of business organization. The members do not require to bring personal money into the business to pay off the liabilities. The member is not required to sell off their personal property. In case of company's asset is not enough to pay off the liability, then member is not required to sell their personal property and bring into the business. And the members is called as sole trader in case of sole trading business, partners in case of partnership business, and shareholders in case of company form of business organization. In company, the owners are called